First, you search for Logitech G Hub, you download it, and you install it. Now, you select your device, you go up here, and you make sure the default is selected. Now, at the left, you select the third option. Under Effect, you click here, and you select Off. Now, the lights are off. That's great, but we have to do one more thing. What happens is, when you restart your computer, the lights are going to turn back on, and they are going to stay on until Windows loads up. So to fix this, we go down here, we click Device Settings, and on the right, we have Onboard Memory Mode, so we click here to turn it on. Right next to slot 1, you click the default, and then you select Desktop Default, which is the one that we configured just now. So now the configuration that we just did is saved on the internal memory of the mouse, so it's always gonna have these settings. And that's it.